What's up, YouTube? So I did some more changing. Did some electronic updates. I got the Fly Sky FS-IT4S, which is pretty badass. And I did some upgrading, as you can see. They got the 2200 and the 10 coat conversion, and there's my other one. I think I might put that one back to nitro, since I got everything to do it. I just gotta put the hours in. And there's the T-Max in limp mode. Broke both the bulkheads. So, yeah. Little editing. I'm about to go take her outside, do some night bashing, see how she holds up. I did some modifications to the transmission. I put a 18 tooth Mod 1 pinion gear inside there, right there, and I left the plastic. Rest of the gear's plastic. So I had to grind a flat spot and whatnot to make it hold, because before it should fucking spun loose before. So I made a flat spot, and if anything worse comes to worse, I'll drill a hole all the way through. I'll put find a grub screw pin or something. Oh, if anything, I'll fucking weld that shit. Fuck it. But yeah, thanks for looking.